Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Appcoiner, okay? And maybe you've landed on this website and you're wondering, is this legit? Can I really make money from my home country using Appcoiner? How does this actually work? How much can I really get paid, right? And is this worth your time or not? Let's check it out, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies all over the internet, all over the world, on how you can make money online. Some of them really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them a big waste of time though. So let's check out Appcoiner to see whether this is worth your time. I'm going to try and save a bit of your time with this review, okay? Now, Appcoiner, if you land on the website, it says you can get paid to test apps, okay? It says Appcoiner needs more members from all over the world. Enter your name and email and join and get paid testing out the coolest new apps on your desktop, all right? So it says, do you have a smartphone or a tablet? You probably use a lot of apps, right? But did you know that you can actually get paid for using those apps, right? And then it shows you some stats and stuff like that. Get lost in the crowd. Here's where you come in, introducing Appcoiner. It allows you to get paid and to help apps get found, right? All you need is a smartphone and a wallet, blah, 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 blah. You choose an app from their database, you test it out, and then you log into your account and then you write a review. And then you get paid easily. It sounds very, very simple, doesn't it? Okay, I think that, you know, who wouldn't want to do this? It sounds really easy. Look at this. Choose an app to test from the database. Okay, you test it out and then you write your review on the Appcoiner review website and then you get paid. Very, very simple, all right? Now, it looks free too, doesn't it? Okay, but here's the very, very misleading thing about Appcoiner is that this is not a free website. In order for you to get access to this, right, once you enter your name and your email address here, they will basically send you to a sales page where you have to pay $27 in order for you to get access to this platform, which I think is very, very weird, okay? So you're paying $27, you then get access to the platform, and they will give you an access to a database of apps that you can test out, and then you would write a review and you would post it on their specific website, okay? Now, that doesn't guarantee that you get paid. So how this works is after you write your article, that article is supposed to, quote unquote, get ranked onto Google. So when somebody does some research on a particular app, hopefully they will find your article, they will then read your article, and then it will lead them to the app. And when they get access to the app and they pay for the app, then you will apparently make a little bit of commissions through something called affiliate marketing, right? You're selling somebody else's product. If they buy that app, you sort of get a referral fee. That's kind of how it works, okay? So it says the more apps you test, the more reviews you write, the more money you will make. But this is not a guarantee, because what you're actually doing is something called search engine optimization. You're writing an article that's supposed to be on their website. It's supposed to rank on Google, but you have no idea what kind of ranking capabilities this website has. Are they doing any SEO, off-page SEO work to get your articles ranked higher? You have no clue, right? You don't actually know what you're doing, what's happening, and what you're paying for. All right. So I think that there are a lot of red flags. So the first red flag here with Appcoiner is that it's extremely misleading. They make it look like it's a free website. They make it look like it's a database and you can just sign up for free and test apps, write articles, and make money, right? What they don't tell you is you have to pay $27. So that's the first massive red flag. The other second massive red flag is you don't know from Adam what their website is like and what their SEO capabilities are. So even if you write 100 articles, are they really ranking it on their website? Are people really finding your articles? And then even if they are finding your articles, how do you know that Appcoiner is really going to give you that real referral fee if somebody actually does read that article and buys an app? You have no idea, right? Most apps, by the way, are free. So why would people even be paying for apps anyway? What kind of commissions are you going to make? There are just too many question marks and too many red flags around this particular opportunity. And because of that, I think that this is a complete waste of time. All right. Now, there are websites out there where you can review stuff and you can actually get paid for reviewing it, right? One of them is called user testing. So I'm just going to pop it up right here, okay, so that you can check it out if you want. This is an actual user testing website. So you sign up with them, they send you a real product, you test it out, you review it, and then they will pay you a little bit of money for that review, okay? They will pay you $5, $10, $15 for that review, all right? This is a real testing website that you can check out. Also, there are limitations on this because they'll only send out maybe one test a week, sometimes only one test a month, right? But at least you get paid with that. With this one is just weird because it looks like it's free, but it's not. Okay, too many red flags around it. I do not recommend Appcoiner at all. I think that there are much better ways for you to make money out there. So this one I would just completely ignore. Okay, now if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to generate more income online. On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different make money online strategies. Some of them really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them though are really a waste of time, right? But out of all of them, I've condensed all of my reviews into one strategy, which I think that a beginner, somebody who has no experience making any money online at all, has the best chance of going from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home. Much more if you put a lot more energy into this particular strategy. I share this strategy on a free masterclass. If you want to check it out, click the link below and I'll send you that free masterclass. You can check it out if you would like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review here of Appcoiner. I wish you all the best. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.